Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy and today's video is going to be an unboxing for my week 6 item from the Nike week, or from the Nike collab week. Obviously it's here. It arrived yesterday. Yeah, yesterday it arrived, which when this video is out it arrived on Monday for me. Now obviously I only copped one item from last week, which was the beanie, and we're just going to unbox that. I've seen that some of the beanies are going for like £60, £65, 50, you know, around 50 to 60 pounds is their sort of price range at the moment, which to be honest, if I wanted to sell it, I could sell it for that and just get some small but quick profit on it. But I don't know, I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to keep it and wear it at some point in time. Now as always, let me know down below if your item has arrived. If it has, what did you cop, what colorway, what size, or did you get an accessory or beanie or something else? And are you planning on stocking it, rocking it, or selling it or reselling it on? And as always, if your item has not arrived, let me know down below if, you know, if you've got the shipping confirmation email yet, or the shipping email yet, or if it's out for delivery at some point in time. And if it is, what item did you get? And are you going to be doing the exact same thing? Anyway, let's just unbox this. Okay, so obviously this time I've got a pair of scissors, or a little pair of scissors, just because I'm not going to try and rip it open. I'm going to be like calm and collected with it, sort of thing. That'll be the point in time where I cut through something accidentally and... Right, okay, that's a lot easier, okay, a lot easier. Right, here it is. Obviously it's nothing, you know, crazy over the top. Oh, we got a sticker pack. Well, I'm happy with that. The Eternal sticker, and I don't actually know what the other sticker is. I don't know, I'll look into whichever one that is, but a sticker pack, I will take that. Okay, here it is. I was expecting it just to be sitting there, but this is actually a lot nicer than what I was anticipating. So we've got a Supreme bag, and it's actually got a like tag on it, a proper tag, which is nice. Focus, please. There you go. So that's nice. Okay, yeah, that's a nice beanie. I have like 7 or 8 beanies, and some of them aren't the best quality, but this is actually quite nice. Yeah, not really much else to say. Obviously it's the black colorway in the beanie, embroidered Supreme on the back. Things like this are always nice to have. Then we have the front. It's actually a lot better quality than what I was anticipating for it. Yeah, and then the inside tag to it as well. Says Nike Supreme. Looks like the sort of tag that you'd actually have inside a t-shirt. So that's different, but yeah, it's better than what I was anticipating. There's the inside tag. It's obviously not like a crew neck or one of the work jackets or anything like that, but still, it's nice for what it is. It's nothing crazy, really soft, so I will probably be wearing this, to be honest. I was thinking about selling it on, but I think it's just a nice piece. So, but it is quite huge, I will have to say that. I have some beanies that are massive, and this is reaching that spectrum of it being quite big, so yeah. Anyway, that's going to cover this video. Hopefully there will be a better unboxing next week, hopefully with the Cat in the Hat hoodie. Unfortunately, at the moment in time, I can't find the Cat in the Hat hat. I've got the outfit, but I can't find the hat. I've got a pair of like white hand gloves that I can wear, but I don't know whether that will mess me up when I'm trying to cop, and you won't really see my hands anyway. But yeah, I'll see what I can do for that. Anyway, I'm probably going to be wearing this. My opinion might change, I might all of a sudden decide to sell it, but I'm probably going to be keeping it and wearing it, so yeah. That's going to cover this video. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, hopefully we get a W tomorrow. Nice smooth W on the grey Cat in the Hat hoodie. Also, thank you for the support on the last amount of videos as per norm. I massively appreciate it. And we just hit 5,550 subscribers, or at the time that I'm recording this, I think it's 5,555. I think it's 5,555, yeah. So that's crazy. We're over halfway to 10k, which is mad. So yeah, thank you for that. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for a live cop. Hopefully we get a W, and yeah, that's it. Peace.